So guys, how to change the color of the HR element in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. To change the HR element color, go to the style section, write HR, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space, border, clone, none. This will make the default horizontal line invisible. Then height, clone, suppose 2 pixel, semicolon. Lastly, background dash color, clone, suppose red. Then end it with a semicolon. Save the document, reload. See, all of the lines are red now. But suppose we want to assign different color to different line. For that, go inside the HR tag, write inline style equal to double quotation, inside background dash color, clone, green, then semicolon. Save and reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.